Hey YouTube, and thank you for watching Junkworks DIY Garage. Well, these videos are going to be videos that I am revamping from some of my older videos. A couple reasons for that. YouTube is not paying all that great right now, and I've been told I talk way too much and I get a lot of blah 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 comments. So therefore I'm kind of trying to cut some of this stuff out. So if you need any more information on what you're about to see and you feel like something got missed, please go find the longer version of these videos. Thanks for watching. But as you can see, this thing is leaking like a sieve. But regardless, we are here right now, and I'm going to go ahead and take this off. I don't think you need to take this off to do a fluid change in one of these if you have this on here. But for filming, it'll make it easier, and there's only 4 bolts, and hopefully they won't be too difficult to get off. We'll see if my impact little gun will do it. Nope, it won't. But we got a 15mm up here. This is the fill hole. Like you'll hear most of the time in all these videos, you always want to make sure that comes loose, so it's better to have bad oil than no oil at all kind of situation. So we're gonna make sure that'll come loose, which it has. Not to mention, you don't hear it a lot, but this will also allow air to come in on top of the fluid, allowing it to hopefully drain a little better as well. Now the weird thing is that's a 15, but the drain plug is a 13mm. So that is where we're going down here for this. That on there. Oh wow, somebody reefed this thing down. Okay. Alright, I got a bucket down here below. And by the way, this is the driver's side or left-hand side of the car as you're sitting in it. And that is the front of the car right there, going that direction. I'm hoping you can see any of this. And we'll fill this up until it starts leaking out from the bottom of this. Now there's also different information on that saying you need to have it like 1/8 of an inch below, or I don't know, you have to figure that out for yourself. I'm good with just letting it come out the top a little bit. I'll let it run till it stops draining out, and we'll go from there. Now it's just a matter, I need to clean the skid plate up, throw that back on there. I don't think you guys need to watch that. That should be a pretty good interpretation of how to change the fluids in the front end of your Chevy or GMC. This looks very similar to my Astro van as well. So I think the front ends in these are pretty well across the board, fairly similar anyways. But anyhow, hopefully several people will get something out of this. Thanks for watching Junkworks DIY Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master of none. You all have a good one.